Ten self-love benefits. What is self-love? Self-love means accepting your strengths, weaknesses and everything in between. How to love yourself. 1. Accept yourself as you are. 2. Forgive yourself. 3. Don't expect perfection. 4. Pay attention to your posture. 5. Do things you love. 6. Never let anyone bully or abuse you. 7. Learn to say no, politely but firmly. 8. See a therapist. 9. Let go of fear of others. 10. Allow yourself to feel pain. 11. Take moments to listen to your breath. 12. Avoid negativity. 13. Practice gratitude. 14. Breath, breath and breath. Accepting yourself as you are. Learn to identify your strengths and weakness and accept them. This helps you to start acknowledging your flaws and accepting them. It helps you to know when you are not treating yourself right, when you are not being treated right and when you are not treating others right. Forgiving yourself. No one human being is perfect, therefore forgive yourself rather than dwell on your shortcomings. Learn from your mistakes and grow from them. Don't expect perfection. Perfectionism is defined as the need to be or appear to be perfect. Don't expect perfection from yourself or others. Perfectionism is not the same thing as striving to be your best. Perfection is not about healthy achievement and growth. It is a shield to protect against the pain of blame, judgment, or shame. We all have negative things, thoughts and actions. Pay attention to your posture. Slouching kills confidence. David R. Hamilton Ph.D., in his book, I Heart Me, says there is a two-way relationship between your mind and your body. Stand tall with your hands on your hips whenever you find yourself sloughing. It gives you confidence and boosts your self-esteem. Do things that you love. Do more of what you like as long as it's legal. Things like moderately helping others, showing compassion, volunteering, exercise, sports, video games, vacations and others. Never let anyone bully you. If you are being bullied, for example, someone seeks to harm, intimidate, or coerce you, stop it by expressing displeasure, but if they do not stop you must share with a trusted friend, law enforcement, authority or faith-based people for further action. See a therapist. Sometimes toxic relationships, unresolved issues from childhood and traumas are handled well by professionally trained therapists. Learn to say no, politely but firmly. Set very clear boundaries and only do the things you feel comfortable doing. Say no when you want to. Let go of fear of others. We all have our fears. There are toxic people out there. Cut off any friends or associates that makes your life feel toxic and unhealthy emotionally, spiritually, physically and verbally. Allow yourself to feel pain. It is normal to experience pain, hurt. Allow yourself to feel pain but take responsibility for your feelings. When faced by painful, hurtful situations, avoid running away to addictions like alcohol, excessive sex, binge eating or illegal drugs. Take moments to listen to your breath. Take a moment and stay still. Listen to your breathing. Every breath you take in or out calms you down. All feelings are informational and they help you realize many things going on in your body. Learn about your false beliefs. This is self-exploration. Ask yourself questions like, what am I thinking that is causing me the painful feelings, anxiety, depression, guilt, shame, jealousy, anger, loneliness, emptiness or whatever it is that you feel. Then allow the answers to come from deep inside your intuition and feelings. Self-love is a powerful emotion. False beliefs are fears. Say to yourself, if love did not create the negative thoughts or feelings then it is not real and comes from fear. Avoid negativity. Negative thoughts, feelings and words cause self-disgust, self-hatred, self-sabotage and destruction. Challenge yourself to stop complaining for a week and see what happens. Practice gratitude. Gratitude, thankfulness, or gratefulness, is a feeling of appreciation felt by and/or similar positive response shown by the recipient of kindness, gifts, help, favors, or other types of generosity, towards the giver of such gifts. Gratitude opens up life for you. It helps you stop focusing on negativity. Instead, focus on positivity by finding something beautiful, listening to uplifting music, meditation, and smiling more. Open a pink bank complaint account where you drop $1 or $2 whenever you catch yourself complaining. You will see how much you lose to Mr. Complaint. Take deep breaths, and more breaths. Disclaimer. This educational information is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice, diagnosis, medical treatment, medication, or therapy. Always seek the advice of your physician or qualified mental health provider with any questions you may have regarding any mental health symptom or medical condition. Psych for You is not authorized to make recommendations about medication or serve as a substitute for professional advice. Never disregard professional psychological or medical advice or delay in seeking professional advice or treatment because of something you have watched on YouTube.